Payday filing is an IRD initiative that requires all New Zealand employers to file employee and pay data every payday. MYOB Advanced generates the necessary files containing all the relevant information in the right format. The files can then be uploaded to the MyIR website. There are two files that employers must submit to IRD. Employee details advises IRD of changes, for example, new and departing employees, and employees opting out or voluntary enrolling in KiwiSaver. And employment information advises IRD of key amounts that make up the employee's pay. MYOB Advanced collects the information on the employee pay details screen. The KiwiSaver tab allows you to capture an employer's current status, as well as see a history of KiwiSaver changes. You can then go to the Standard Pay tab to check the pay items for the employee's KiwiSaver deduction and employer's KiwiSaver contribution. It's important to submit the employee details file before any employment information files, so that any new or departing employees are updated. Failure to do so will cause problems when you attempt to upload the employee information file. To generate an employee details file, we select the Employee Details Return function. On the screen, we select a start date for the return. The screen will present employees with changes to report within that date range. It automatically identifies new employees, departing employees, employees with the change in their KiwiSaver status, or employees that have previously been reported to the IRD with no IRD number, but now have one which will include their change of tax code from ND to another code. When you're ready to proceed, click on the Save and Export button. This will save the batch, create and export an ED file in the correct format. If there are employees from multiple companies, it will automatically generate a separate export file for each company. Downloaded files can then be uploaded to the MyIR website. After a pay run is completed, the employment information return files can be created using the Employment Information Return function. To generate an EI return batch, select the pay run and then click on the Create Batch function from the Actions menu. You have the option to enable approvals for EI returns. If you do, the batch will be submitted for approval and approved before it can be exported. To export the file, select Export from the Actions menu. This will generate the EI return in a CSV format that can be uploaded to the IRD. If you need to make amendments after you have submitted to the IRD, you can make amendments directly in MyIR. MYOB Advanced helps you to meet the IRD requirements through these simple workflows.